brakes are loud on that thing too. Here we go, Sammy. Gorilla tape.
Still waiting for you to fix the dishwasher.
What?
Piece on the ledge. It's been there for months.
Who cares? Well, see, if you care about it, it's got to be addressed. If I care about it, you're not going to touch it.
See, you fix mine, I'll fix yours.
Yeah, right.
Sammy adopted me as his sister.
Okay.
We're gonna go be Disney partners.
Oh, okay. He's headed there in December.
A what?
We're headed there in December.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's our vacation getaway because that's the only place he can go and do stuff with us.
Nice.
So, and he loves to ride the buses. Oh yeah.
We didn't even go to the parks in like March. We just did the buses all day long. Like, just...
That and Disney Springs, went shopping. She was in heaven, he was in heaven, and I just went along.
You're the one that says, I want to check out every store.
Yeah. It didn't mean it wasn't heaven.
Well, you shouldn't go in it. It's for your bicycle. How it works.
Alright. Here, I'm showing them the picture of you waiting outside for bus. Have you guys ever been to Mackinac with Sam?
No.
No.
They have a special carriage ride for
Yes.
handicapped.
Really?
And you just have to call ahead and let them know.
All right, Bob. She's talking. Don't interrupt.
Hey, get with it, Laura. Get with it, Laura. Here, you show them the picture of you waiting outside all by yourself.
Oh.
We just left them out there.
Oh my God.
Sam,
So
you were all by yourself?
Big boy out
You didn't get into trouble, did you?
You didn't get in trouble or try to escape?
Laura. Had to wait for the slow bus driver to come get him though.
Can you send it to your mom?
No, you did. Yep, I'll show it to your mom.
She can send it on. He wants you to send it to my phone.
Yeah. Do you want me to take your number? Sometimes we take little videos.
Yeah. Oh, by all
I'm gonna
means.
send it to her.
She's going to send it to her. Is that going to be
I'm
good?
gonna save it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the helicopter, Sam. We got a helicopter going by. Look up, Sammy. Can you see it?
Okay, this is Laura. Okay. Or maybe I'll send you the picture.
She'll send us.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Thank you. Wow, there it is. Whoa! What did you do, Sam?
They're speeding. Tell them to slow down.
Here comes the other guy that like buzzes our house.
There's another plane going right.
What did you do, Sam? Are they after you?
Holy smokes.
What did you do when you were sitting outside? Okay. What do you say now?
They must have got whipped when they went over me.
No.